Your favorite Caribbean designer TV series is back, and the winner is going to Paris. This is Mission Catwalk Season 7. 13 designers from Barbados, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Antigua, and the Bahamas will compete for the chance of a lifetime. 3 designers will have a final runway showdown, but only one will make it to Paris Fashion Week. Over $4 million in cash and prizes to be won. Who will complete this mission? Who will rule the catwalk?
Hello, designers.
Hello.
Welcome back to Jamaica. We're all excited to see your collections, but first, there's a twist. Rochelle has made the decision to withdraw from this mission, forcing the judges to select a wild card. Now let's welcome the designer joining you for the finale showdown.
Rochelle is her own person, and if she felt, that dropping out was the best decision, I can't really fight her against that. She can only trust herself.
My expectations for Saturday, going through this unbelievable experience, being called back to the competition, my expectation is to win the competition. Yeah, I feel like that makes sense. Because why come back if I'm not going to come back and win?
Hey, and Rochelle not competing. I mean, I don't understand why, but at the end of the day, it's a competition, and whoever is here, I'm gonna beat them. Okay, the Aaron coming out.
So today you will meet with your mentor to review your collections. You will have a model casting to select your 12 models, plus 2 reserves, and then you will have your fittings. Then it's catwalk time. Good luck.
Welcome back, people.
Hello.
Hi. So tell me about the theme of your collection.
So when we got the guidelines for our collection, it is supposed to be based around sustainability. Now, initially, when I first got back home, I wasn't able to get a lot of the fabrics that I would have wanted to do my collection. Most of my pieces have a very floral-like aesthetic because I'm a nature guy and I love to be in nature. And throughout the competition, I really wanted to stick with a lot of earth tone colors, but I used this opportunity to really work with them because it's what I really like to work with. So these pieces that are white are not going to stay white. I am actually going to be painting them with dye.
Okay, people, I'm looking at this right here, and I don't think this seam should be here, like right in the front.
Yeah, that.
So you need to fix that.
No problem.
You see? Because it's the only one. So either put it on the side or in the back. It's only one seam?
Well, it isn't one seam because remember, I upcycled the sheeting fabric. I still had to be able to join them. So I couldn't really control. I couldn't really control where it stopped. I couldn't control where it stopped because of joining the pieces together, but I can find a way
you can move it, right?
Yeah, to move
either
it
to the side or something. Okay. So I don't know the other 3 pieces that you have, and it could be because even though they have similar colors, the prints are like, I don't know if they're fighting, but they're not.
I think that again, you might see the cohesion like
after you
This
paint.
is a collection that I like to say trust the process, because I think that the cohesion is going to really show when all of the smaller details like the painting and everything is done
and on the
other pieces as well.
And this is going to be white, or is it going to get painted as well?
Yes, this is going to get painted as well.
All right. So good luck.
Thank you.
Where I am today is not where I was yesterday. So every opportunity I have gotten with this show, it has been tremendous, and it has allowed me to really grow into this individual that I really want to see of myself.
A lot of style coming back, like things from back in the days, they're trending now. So a lot of puff sleeves. And yeah, so I tried to incorporate what's trending with my aesthetic.
This is the front, right?
Yes, this is a blouse.
Oh.
Yeah. On this piece, I still have to attach the sleeve on it. I'm gonna do a big puff sleeve on that. And I try to do a lot of tucks, if not the tucks, the lattice to make the collection connect then, so it don't look like any random piece. I think the best is always yet to come, but so far I think this is one of the strongest I'm putting out, because I don't normally do all this detail and you know, in-depth work, and I really put my all into this collection, and I think it's really strong.
I know that you didn't have a lot of time to prepare, so tell me what you plan to do.
The plan seems chaotic, but you can function good in chaos. I can function well in chaos, so I'll make it work.
So how long do you have to do?
I have 3 or 4 days left.
This mission, who will rule the catwalk?
My name